I don't think your insurance is fucking good enough for my car.
I can buy your insurance, your car, and you. Cash purchase. Clean yourself and cut the bullshit. We need to talk.
Why can't I just go on eating?
Because the shit smells, and I need to focus, and I need your attention.
No need to say anything. I know where you're going with this.
Well, where I'm going with it is that we better find a way to disappear before my uncle makes us disappear.
How many trucks got stopped?
2.
Shit!
Why? Would one have been better? Is one truck full of trafficked human beings better than 2?
Don't you put this bullshit on me. It was originally your idea.
Which I then rethought.
Well, it didn't take long for me to reconvince you, did it? But don't you worry. Your uncle will be able to jump in and clean up your shit. I'd better think how I can get out of this.
Well, see, that's the thing. I wouldn't want to leave you alone in this, Roman. Unless I was somehow forced to.
What do you mean?
I mean, I have the way out if you drop your fucking drama show and start listening to me.
No. I meant, what do you mean, leave me alone in this? Huh? We made a business deal together. I didn't think this would be an option. We both own those trucks. They're in both our names. You need to fucking rot in hell!
Whoa. Relax, brother. Nothing personal. As you said, it's just business.
I swear, I'm gonna murder you.
As I said, there's a way out. You will confess, Roman. Just plead guilty, say it was a stupid idea, you regret it, and my uncle could get you out in a few years.
Your uncle can suck my dick.
Oh, would you like to tell him that yourself? I've invited him for an informal chat. He should be there very shortly.
Isn't that sad, huh?
What is?
Always having to call Unky to clean up your shit.
If you say so.
I will confess, Max.
Yeah?
Yeah, I will confess. But it won't be pretty.